How to draw a field goal post from American football. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by drawing the grass by first drawing a line going from left to right towards the bottom of the page. For the next step of drawing the grass, we're going to draw a big curved line going from left to right from this point all the way over to the right hand side. Fantastic! Now we're going to draw the bottom of the goalpost, which will be connected to the grass that we just made. Well done! Now we're going to want to draw the top of the goalpost. So first, let's draw two small lines going up and down attached to the shape that we just made. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Now attached to those short lines that we just drew, we're going to draw the long lines that will be extending outwards for the bottom of the goalpost. And we want to make sure that each side is very similar in length. Now attached to those endpoints of those long lines that we just made, we're going to draw two more long lines that will be going up and down. This will help us make the sides of our goalpost. Now from this point, we're going to want to draw an outline around the top of our goalpost on the inside. Now we're almost done. All we have left to do before we color is to draw a football that will be going through the goalpost in the center on the top. And on the inside of the football, I'm going to draw two small white stripes. This is how to draw an American football post. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. And if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Next, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.